Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you some cool metalworking tools that will surely blow your mind. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose your next power tool. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. We upload latest gadgets, furniture, craft and decor ideas on daily basis. So if you want to get these tons of ideas, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Getting back to our listing. 1. Exact pipe cutting system. Precision exact pipe cutters are suitable for all kinds of pipe materials. One device allows cutting pipes of different diameters. Pipe cutting is much faster than traditional methods. The resulting surfaces appear to be accurate and of the same quality, so the pipes are immediately ready for connection. Exact systems use a universal roller grip that securely holds the main body of the pipe. The replaceable disc allows using one device for cutting pipes made of any material. The pipe with a diameter of up to 6.7 inches is placed on a roller bed, so there is no need to rotate the tool. It is enough to rotate the pipe section. 2. Mag Hold V Pads. Mag Hold V Pads kits product line. The magnetic V pads are low profile and ideal for tight space light duty holding and positioning of steel stock in horizontal or vertical positions. The magnetic V pad faces pivot to hold on to round, square, flat or angled steel stock in all shaped parts. Choose magnetic feeds in sizes ranging from 2.2 inch long to 4.8 inch long. The mag hold V pads can be set up, adjusted, and removed quickly, are easy to store and provide work holding solutions in tight spots where larger clamps cannot be used. Frequently referred to as welding fingers, mag hold V pads are the better alternative to holding small parts off your fingers for proper alignment and positioning in a safe, efficient and accurate fit up for tack welding. The adjustable magnetic feedbacks from strong hand tools is a time-saving magnetic tool for use in the shop and in the field. 3. Rhino Cart. Rhino Cart is a convenient mobile station for fitting, welding and producing of metal structures. The kit includes a mobile table for welding and a system for fixing blanks. With the help of swivel wheels, the mobile station quickly moves to a convenient place of work and is fixed with threaded supports, which ensures precise leveling of the workbench. The design feature of the welding station is a well-thought-out surface with the system of holes where metal guides are inserted. With their help, the work pieces are installed with great precision and if necessary can be fixed with clamps, which are also inserted into the calibrated holes. The fastening includes bushings, clips as well as spacers and cradles unified with calibrated holes. Each element of the fastening system is fixed by a spring ball latch under the surface of the workbench. 4. Diablo Steel Demon. Innovative saw blade Diablo Steel Demon is made of a special alloy that does not wear out and can equally effectively cut almost all materials from plastic to cast iron. Endurance of conventional carbide blades for saber saw exceeds to Diablo Steel Demon by 50 times. Radically innovate carbide coated saw blade allows cutting at high speed without worrying about spoiling the blade. It is intended for work with pipes, cheap materials, metal profile and aluminum cast massive parts. The special shape of the blade's cutting tooth makes you forget about blunt saw. When cutting efficiency drops, you just need to push the handle harder and after several cycles the blade will be sharp again. 5. SPX Metal Cutting Diamond Blades. Hilti has expanded its SPX lineup for circular blades with 3 new blades, including a versatile new metal cutting diamond blade with 100 times the life of standard abrasive discs. Hilti says the new SPX metal cutting diamond blade can cut through multiple types of materials, reducing the need to change discs frequently. Hilti showed SPX metal cutting diamond blades cutting through a gauntlet of materials with ease. The setup included steel, wood, and PVC. Hilti says the diameter of the SPX metal cutting blade does not decrease over time, maintaining a consistent cutting depth through the life of the blade. The blade is made of high-grade diamond grids electroplated and exposed along the cutting edge to maintain its edge and cutting capability. The framing blades feature high-density carbide teeth, a low-friction coating and reduced vibration. Equipped with these blades, Hilti says its cordless circular saws deliver up to 40% more cuts per battery charge. Six, Hilti DX9. The riveting machine Hilti DX9 is a reliable, intelligent and handy tool for roofing. It is equipped with advanced technology, a digital service indicator with Bluetooth connectivity and an ergonomic handle. The service digital indicator on the DX9 gives real-time feedback and shows when to clean and maintain the tool, thus optimizing performance at the workplace. The Bluetooth button on the device syncs it with the Hilti Connect app, where you can find data on the use of the tools and request assistance from the company if necessary. The ergonomic tool allows the operator to lay rivets without bending down, relieves pressure on the back while increasing productivity. Seven, Hilti SCM18, a cordless metal saw. If you're looking for quality, power and the company that backs their tools, Hilti is it. When you need to cut metal, there is no better way. The new Hilti SCM18 cordless metal cutting circular saw boasts fast, smooth cuts for most metal cutting applications. Designs of cold cutting technology, the SCM18 is built to withstand the toughest job site conditions, says Hilti, adding that the tool and blade combination cuts everyday materials like strut, threaded rods, and rebar while taking on demanding applications like back-to-back strut or fixed deal with ease. The blade has tungsten carbide and titanium carbide tips brazed to the teeth. Eight, Nargisa PP200. Construction elements, silencers, furniture frames, and other products from metal pipes requires precise reduction of one pipe diameter so that it fits perfectly into another one. A hydraulic press Nargisa PP200 has been developed for this purpose. The press works on the principle of cold forging and ensures accurate setting of the desired final diameter of the pipe of different diameters. After processing on the press, metal parts can be welded at any angle without using a pipe bender. 9. Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Milwaukee M18 Fuel is an innovative cordless drill. The drill is designed for making holes in difficult conditions on surfaces located both at an angle and horizontally or vertically. For drilling of thick-walled steel, it is necessary to make a huge effort, and this is achieved with the help of a powerful magnet and the system for feeding the drill into the metal. The operator needs only to accurately set the tool on the surface, start the drill and immerse the drill or cutter in the metal. The drill provides strictly perpendicular immersion of the cutting tool. One battery charge is enough to drill 40 holes with a diameter of up to 0.8 inches in 0.3-inch thick steel. The drill is equipped with a water cooling system and a brushless 18-volt motor whereof torque and speed are not worse than network analogs. Well, there you have them. 9 cool metalworking tools. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments section. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.